Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Twitter posts at once. Now to delete all the Twitter posts, we are not going to the Twitter app. Let's go to the browser on your mobile phone. Into the search button, search for help.x.com. Now inside the Twitter Help Center, tap on the search bar. Then type in your questions on how to delete all Twitter posts at once. And after that, it will show you many different options that you can choose to on how to delete a post on your Twitter account. Aside from that, let's go back and tap on the three-line button. After that, tap on using X. Then tap on posts. Tap on see more. Scroll down and tap on how to delete a post. Now through here, it will walk you through to a step-by-step on how to delete a post on Twitter. Just follow all the instructions and you're good to go. And that's it. That is how to delete all your posts on Twitter. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.